Hello everyone, I'm Aisha and you are tuned into the 698th episode of our Here and Now podcast. Today, we bring you the latest buzz from the insurance industry. So, let's dive right in. Our first story today comes from Money Control, reporting a significant regulatory breather for the insurance sector. The IRDAI has granted a 12-month relief for the rollout of the IFRS 17 and risk-based capital or RBC regime to all insurers. This extension provides crucial additional time for insurance companies to adapt to these complex global accounting standards and capital requirements. The report indicates that this deferment is a strategic move to ensure a smooth transition without disrupting the financial stability of insurers. By allowing more time for implementation and testing, the regulator is ensuring that companies are fully prepared to handle the technical and operational challenges posed by the new norms. This decision is expected to be welcomed across the industry as it alleviates immediate compliance pressure and allows for a more robust and error-free migration to the new framework. Moving on to our next story, a report by The Hindu sheds light on worker welfare in the Hyderabad region. During a recent coordination meet in Cyberabad, the spotlight was firmly placed on the safety and insurance coverage for construction workers. The discussions highlighted the critical need to strengthen safety nets for this vulnerable segment of the workforce, which often operates in high-risk environments. The article details that authorities and industry stakeholders are emphasizing stricter adherence to safety norms and comprehensive insurance covers. This initiative is aimed at safeguarding the financial future of construction laborers and their families against occupational hazards. By prioritizing these discussions, the Coordination Committee is taking a vital step towards social security, ensuring that the workforce driving the region's infrastructure boom is protected against accidents and unforeseen events. Our next story focuses on a fascinating evolution in corporate wellness, detailed in a recent market report. The group health insurance market in India is shifting from standardized policies to flexible, points-based benefit structures driven by a younger workforce that demands personalization. Large corporates are increasingly adopting models where employees are allocated points to co-create their own policies, choosing covers that range from dental and vision to mental health and even pet insurance. The report explains that this move towards bespoke plans is driven by higher per-employee spending rather than just workforce size. While currently about 5% of group health premiums fall under this customized model, engagement levels are soaring, with 60-70% of employees actively making choices about their coverage. This shift not only improves the perceived value of the insurance for employees, but also allows companies to cater to diverse lifestyle needs, marking a departure from the traditional one-size-fits-all approach. Our final story, from a report by APN News, focuses on a strengthened safety net for small businesses. IFFCO Tokyo General Insurance has introduced a comprehensive property all-risk policy designed specifically to bolster risk protection for MSMEs and broader businesses. This product aims to address the unique vulnerabilities faced by small and medium enterprises, which often form the backbone of the economy. The article highlights that this policy offers extensive coverage against a wide array of risks, ensuring that business disruptions do not translate into financial ruin. By providing a holistic solution that covers property damage and associated risks, IFFCO Tokyo is reinforcing its commitment to the MSME sector. This initiative is crucial for fostering business resilience, allowing entrepreneurs to focus on growth and innovation with the peace of mind that their physical assets are secure. And with that, we conclude today's episode. We hope you found these in-depth updates helpful and insightful. As always, our podcast, Here and Now, will continue to bring you more such stories from the world of insurance. Until then, take care, Goodbye and have a great week ahead.